Stucky, Stucky. Hello, pigeon. Yeah, man. It's a fucking big ass seagull, mate. What you saying? Yeah, get some skin. Get some skin. Hey, mate, it's not even asked. Why don't you sit down with it? How you doing? Can't stand on my hand. Stand on my hand or something. Fucking hell, they love me. Yeah, boy. I got a fucking seagull. It's a fucking condor, that. Right, chill. Chill your fucking beans, man. Look at that. I swear to God now, it's just flew in my back garden, threw a sausage up on the floor, then walked in. You don't like sausage, do you? You're a prick. Shake my hand. Ah! Little bastard, don't fucking bite me, I'll smash your head in. Eat some bread. Hey, don't fucking dare fly in here. You're not allowed. Have some bread. Yeah, it's my mate now. Look at that. Eat it, you daft cunt. And make it a bit small. Don't like crust. What are you doing? You fucking eat it. No crust on that bit. You're not eating for? Get some skin. Yeah, dare you. Don't fucking dare. Told you before. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. Don't fucking go on, dare you? Dare you? Daft cunt. That's game as fuck. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Get some skin on. Go on. Haha, yes, bro. Got a bird on my head. Nice. Fucking hell. How mad's that? Trained already? Don't fucking like, yeah. How mad's that? It climbed on my head on its own. You want some bread? Ungrateful little prick. What are you doing? Get some skin. And do a strucky. How mad's that? It's fucking, it's ballsy as fuck, this cunt. What I mean? Hello, buddy. How you doing? Oh, you just shit on me. I'm just getting some fucking bread in that, say treat me. Get off. You just shit on my head. Sit down my shoulder or something. Oh, you dirty, horrible little cunt. Just get your bread in that, say treat me. I'm gonna set the fucking cunt out. He's trying to fly around my gaff. Doing some fuck off, trying to bite me. Ah, fuck off. Ah, fuck off. It's a seagull, he's fucking biting me, that mate. Let go, fly off, you daft cunt. See that? Look at that.